how to buy Dogwifhat right on MEXC. We're going to do this very simple and very easy. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. What I want you to do, click on the link below, register for your free account. Let's buy Dogwifhat on MEXC. Now, once you get to this page, if you don't have USDT, you want to go to quick buy sell, because we're going to need this to swap out USDT for Dogwifhat. Now from here, you would choose your currency. So if you're in the United States, you want to choose USD, okay? So if you got $100 worth, you get 98 USDT. There is a little fee involved, okay? So once you do that transaction, I want you to also go and you want to go to spot and market. Once the USDT is in your account, you'll be ready to trade to get this Dogwifhat. That definitely shaping up the crypto space, the main space. Now, when you get to this page, this is the MEXC chart and information. Let's just keep it simple, okay? So let's type in WIF. We're gonna type in WIF and USDT. WIF is actually part of Dogwifhat, and USDT is what we're gonna be trading it for as well. So WIF, Dogwifhat right there. Now from here, you see the chart, the price, and then here's where you buy and sell. Now from here, I can buy WIF, very simple. So I can buy 0.005 worth, because we do have some money in our USDT, not very much. Now, once you have your USDT, it will show up right here, literally. So once it shows up here, you make the transaction, click on buy WIF, and it goes right to your account. If you're trying to sell it, you just reverse everything. You're selling your WIF, and it goes back to USDT, and then you check your account, what you look for right over here, okay? In your profile area. And that's it. So what I want you to do is click on the link below, get registered, get ready to buy probably one of the hottest meme coins in 2024, and that's Dogwifhat. Let's go. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. I'll see you in the next video.